mo ba is simple pero hearty and healthy na ulam? Today gagawa tayo ng ginisang gulay with pork ribs na siksik sa sarap at sustansya. Complete meal na ito na tamang-tamang terno sa kaning mainit. In a wide pan, heat oil at igisa ang onions and garlic until translucent and aromatic. Gumamit ako dito ng pork spare ribs, pero masarap rin ng liampo, shrimp, or grilled fish. Cut the pork ribs between the bones into serving pieces at isang kotsa until lightly browned. Isunod ang tomatoes and cook until softened at mag-release ng juices. Patis ang readily available sa akin dito sa Texas na pampalasa, pero pwede ka rin gumamit ng alamang or bagoong isda. Ibuhos ang tubig and bring to a boil. Cover and simmer for about 40 to 50 minutes or until the pork is fork tender. Ilagay ang kamote and simmer for about 3 to 5 minutes or until tender. Paborito ko dito ang ampalaya, okra at talong. You can also add sitaw, kalabasa, patola, or bunga ng malunggay. Continue cooking until tender na ang mga gulay. Limit lang ang masyadong paghalo para hindi masyadong pumait ang bitter melon. Adjust ang timpla with salt and pepper to taste. Hayan, ready na. Delicious and nutritious hapunan or pananghalian na you'll feel good serving the whole family. Kung nagustuhan mo ang recipe na to, don't forget to like and share the video. I-follow mo na rin ng Kawaling Pinoy for more tasty ulam ideas. Enjoy!